How to transfer data from Android to iPhone in 2 ways. So let's get started. Simply download the Mobile Trans app, which offers a convenient solution for transferring data between Android and iPhone directly from your mobile device. The app is designed to maintain data quality, ensuring your photos, videos, and other media retain their original format and resolution. So, first, identify your old phone, the one containing the data, and your new phone, the recipient of the data. This simple distinction sets the stage of the transfer. Then, confirm which phone will be sending data. This ensures the transfer flows smoothly in the right direction. The next step is to choose which data types you want to move. This could include contacts, messages, photos, videos, and other file formats the transfer app supports. Once you have selected your data, initiate the transfer process and let the app handle the rest. Don't disconnect either device until the transfer is completely finished. Now, the second way to transfer data from Android to iPhone is with Move to iOS. Move to iOS is designed to help users transition smoothly between an Android and an iPhone, minimizing the hassle typically associated with switching devices. Firstly, download the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Then, select the option to transfer data from Android during the iPhone setup process. Open the Move to iOS app on your Android device and agree to the terms and tap Continue. After that, open the Android app and enter the code displayed on your iPhone. Then select the data types you want to transfer and tap Next and wait for the transfer to complete. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.